Fashion is not for the faint-hearted, and when we say that, we mean this, the breastplate trend. Remember this? Yes, Urfi Javed recently wore it to an event and, as expected, she was noticed, trolled by some, appreciated by others. But wait, this trend is not new, and believe it or not, it has been tried and tested since the 90s. Supermodels from the 90s like Meher Jasia and Shyamali Verma sported it way before it became a thing. If you check out designer Sunit Verma's Instagram page, then you will be surprised to see how beautiful a breastplate can look on the Indian curvy figure. Fashionista Sonam Kapoor has already sported this look from the designer's collection. The bold arm accessories and the boho neck piece really complemented the whole vibe of the breastplate. This trend may not have too many takers in Bollywood right now, but in Hollywood, it is catching up faster. We all remember Zendaya's look from the Critics' Choice Award night, where she wore this Tom Ford fuchsia flowing skirt with a matching breastplate, which made the fashion critics take note of her style. And then the very next year, she wore a longer version of a breastplate from Loewe. Reality TV star Kim Kardashian also sported a breastplate in 2019, which gave the look of a corset top. But the most dramatic breastplate we have ever seen is that of Bella Hadid. At the 74th annual Cannes Film Festival, she wore a form-fitting black wool dress which had a neckline that cut under her chest, which was covered by a gold-dipped necklace in the shape of the bronchi passageway of the lungs, adorned with rhinestones. Well, breastplates look bold, but are they even comfortable? Zendaya revealed that her Tom Ford breastplate was lined with some type of absorbent fabric that was really soft and lovely, so it was not an issue to wear it for a long period of time. Interesting, right? What do you think about this trend? Do let us know in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for more on fashion.